Well, got some exciting news. That lift and everything that I was talking about, the lift and the tires, finally came in. So let's get the camera down, show you all this stuff up close. All right, hopefully you can see all this stuff. You got all kind of bracketry, bump stops, rear springs, passenger side knuckle, driver side knuckle, the drive shaft adapter, some longer struts, skid plate, and there's the front. Let's walk over here, don't get dizzy. The front and rear, I guess you can see that. It's got RC in the middle of it for rough country, right there. The cross members. Let's go walk around this side of it. How about it? Look, got some new tie rod ends. There's one bag of bolts, 2, 3, 4. There's some big old bolts. And of course, over here we got the rear shocks and the hardware to mount those. This is what's going to make the lift install. These are, if you can see, Mickey Thompson. You go around the tire, Baja Legend MTZs. Now, when I had my 2010, I had Baja, just regular Baja MTZs. Supposedly these are the same tires, they just added Legend to them for some reason. I don't know. But let's see. There you can see right there the sizes, or the size. 37 by 12, 50 by 20. 20-inch rim. And they are going on those. Hope you can see that good. The light ain't all that good. Factory 20-inch wheels. All right, we're going to take some measurements. Left rear is 38 3/4. Let's go around to the front. The left front is 38 3/8. The right front is 38 3/4. And right rear is 39. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not. These tires are freaking huge. Let's roll one over here to the truck. Look at it. It's not on the rim or nothing yet. Now let me move out of the way. That is what it's going to look like. Of course, the truck is going to be a whole lot higher than that. Okay, this video is, or this series is going to be probably long of me installing this lift kit. I went with the longer struts and springs, so I don't have to use the big spacers that creates the lift, you know, to make up the difference from the knuckles. It was more money, obviously, but hey, it's just money, right? So I'm kind of excited on installing this here thing. Let me know in the comments down there if you want to see me install it. Now, it's going to be just clips of me installing. It's not going to be no how to install this lift. There's plenty of videos out there that go in depth on that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to install it and record it. So pretty excited about it. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you next time when we'll get started on it, on the teardown.